This is your Action News reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. I was sitting around thinking about what I should do and some of the remembering the old times videos seem to do the best. And I was thinking about my youth and some of the things I used to do. And I used to play a lot with old Tonka trucks. Remember those? Whatever happened to those? They went away. So I looked them up and was shocked at what I saw, how much they were going for, vintage Tonka trucks. We're gonna have some fun. Let's do it. A black arrow is representing the old road grader. Remember those? They were averaging about $125 on the internet. Black arrow starts us out with a 15. You gotta start somewhere. Blue arrow represents the bulldozer. They were averaging about $44. I don't believe this. Blue arrow scores a 15 also. The exact same rings. Wow. Brown arrow represents the mighty dump truck. All right, brown arrow breaks into the gold. Yes, and they score a 20. All right, way to go. We broke the 15 too. Yes. Green arrow represents the mighty crane. It was averaging about $66 on the internet. Look at that, folks. Green arrow scores in the 10 ring. Yeah, way to go. And they score a 22. Yes, that puts them in first place. Purple arrow represents the mighty backhoe. They averaged about $30 on the internet. Purple arrow scores a 10 and the first miss of the day. Oh, darn. Red arrow represents the front loader. It averaged about $57 on the internet. Red arrow scores a 16. Well, that's better than 15. Yellow represents the front end loader and backhoe. That averaged about $75. Yellow arrow did terrible. They score a 5 and a miss. That's the low score of the day. Orange arrow represents a not so popular Tonka truck, the steamroller. It averaged about $15 on the internet. Orange arrow scores a 14. White arrow represents the scraper. Now, high score is 22, second place is 20, third place is 16. All white arrow needs to do to get in the winner's circle is beat that 16. And they did it. White arrow scores an 18. That puts them in third place. Way to go, yes! This is your Action News reporter here at the Winner's Circle, where it's finally warmed up to 57 degrees. In first place in the center, we have green arrow representing the mighty crane with 22 points. In second place, we have brown arrow on your right with 20 points, representing the mighty dump truck with 20 points. In third place on your left, we have white arrow with 18 points, representing the mighty scraper. These are your Tonka heroes today. We congratulate them for their fine job. Who knew that they could shoot arrows? We know that they're good at construction, and now they're good at archery. Hip, hip, hooray. And as always, we wish you a good day.